Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and do you want to protect your wheels? I want to show you how. All right, guys, so let's talk through this project and the reasons why you would want to do this on your car, whether it's new or old, if your wheels are new or old. Now, in this case, we're really lucky. We're going to be doing them on brand new wheels. So we're going to limit some of the steps we would take today if your wheels have been on the car for a while. I'm not actually going to do the new black wheels on my new G87. If you haven't seen my video for the brand new BBS Unlimited wheels that I have on my car, that's what we're going to do today. They don't even have tires on them yet, so it's going to make it a little bit easier to do, but I will talk through the steps of what you need to do if your wheels are still on the car itself, or if you take your wheels off and you can get the surface face and the barrel as well, which is what I recommend. But it's going to be even easier to do today. Now we're going to be using the CarPro Deluxe product. This is a fantastic ceramic coat that you can use on your wheels. You can also use it on plastics as well, but we're going to be using it primarily and only on the wheels today. And this is a really good idea. This helps keep your wheels cleaner. Now, they're still going to get dirty. Ceramic coat isn't magic. They're still going to get dirty, but water and dirt and dust and brake dust and all those things are going to come off that much easier and help maintain the look of your car. And it's a great way for always that visual appearance when you walk up to your car. So let's go ahead and jump in and get started.